Yes!
So the one... Huh? Vampire? How dare you take the candy from my desk?
But Professor, I haven't eaten all day. Can I just have one snack?
I don't care. You broke the rules twice. Now you get double homework.
Oh.
Now get to work.
Sorry, Professor.
Now to continue.
Oh, I need to find a way to get my food. Oh! I can hypnotize her. Hey, Professor Stacy.
What is it, vampire?
Professor, you will bring me the candy from your desk.
Yes, I will bring you the candy from my desk.
Good, now put them down on my table.
Yes, vampire. Whoa, vampire, that's so cool!
Yeah, watch this. Professor Stacy, you'll give us A's all semester.
Yes, vampire.
Oh, yay!
Huh? Nice try, vampire. Now both of you leave my class. Remember, you have 15 more minutes to turn in the assignment.
Okay, Professor.
Oh no, I need to hurry. Oh, I messed up my paper. Zombie, can I borrow your eraser?
Oh no, vampire
Just use
there!
it real quick. Oh, no, my paper.
What's going on, vampire? Why are you yelling?
It's some zombie's fault. Her eraser ruined my paper.
What? I told you not to use it! Let me see.
Zombie, your eraser smells so funny. Is it cheese? This is cheese. Zombie, you know there's no food allowed in my class. You failed this assignment and in confiscating all your erasers.
But Professor!
No.
Oh.
I'll eat snacks and work on my project.
Hey, vampire! Can I have some candy?
What candy?
Vampire, you ruined my painting! Vampire, can I use one of your canvases?
What? No way!
Why not?
No!
You're so selfish, vampire! I'm telling Professor! Professor!
What's going on? What's wrong, zombie?
My painting's ruined and vampire won't share her canvas with me!
But these are mine. I need them both.
Just share with zombie. I'll get you a new canvas tomorrow. Vampire, what's the meaning of this?
But Professor, I didn't have lunch.
You know the rules. No food allowed. Now get out of my class. Here's your canvas, zombie.
Thank you.
Zombie, why are you eating toothpaste?
Why not?
Hey, why are you guys talking during the lecture?
I saw Zombie eating toothpaste.
What? Ew, vampire, your breath smells so bad. You have to have a mint or something.
Sorry, Professor. I haven't brushed my teeth in 100 years.
Whatever, let's just get back to the lecture.
Oh, Zombie, let me use your toothpaste.
But vampire!
I just need a little bit. Oh, it's jelly. I needed toothpaste.
I tried to warn you, but you didn't listen to me.
Oh.
Hey, zombie, can you get me the bone models from the shelf?
Okay, Professor.
All right, today we'll be discussing the femur.
Ooh, I can use this as sneaking candy. I'll use an X-Acto knife to cut into the bone. Now that it's open, I can hide my candy in here.
And this is the lateral. Huh, zombie? Why do you still have a bone on your desk?
Oh, I kept it so I can follow the lecture more closely.
Wow, zombie, you're such a good student. Now let's continue.
Oh man, I should have skipped breakfast.
Huh? Is that a werewolf? Zombie, how dare you eat in my class?
But my stomach was growling so loud.
I don't care. You know the rules. Now you have to write a 10-page essay.
What? I thought it was fun.
Well, it's 10 for you.
No, Professor.
What's that? Vampire, what are you doing?
I was just feeding the skulls. Don't you know that they're alive in the monster world?
Well, don't get too distracted, vampire.
Okay, Professor. Whew, that was close. Now to get more candy. What? It's gone!
Vampire, do you want some candy? I'll trade you for your chips.
Sure.
Yeah, thank you.
Huh? Are those snacks? Go throw that away right now!
What?
Since you broke the rules, you have to write a 10,000-word essay on following the rules. Turn it in by the end of class or you get an F.
Oh man! Why is Professor so strict?
She's really sad because her dog ran away.
Really? I know what to do. Let's surprise Miss Stacy by giving her flowers.
That's nice, but even if we give her flowers, she'll take away our food.
She can't take it if she can't find it. First, I'll put the soda in the middle of the flowers. Now we'll put a long straw into the soda can and fold it into the flowers. Professor Stacy, look, I brought you flowers.
Oh, thank you so much. They're so beautiful. I'll put them right here. All right, let's start the lesson.
Oh, here it is. Professor Stacy will never know I'm drinking soda.
Hey, Vampire, can you come solve this problem?
Okay, Professor.
Now here's my chance. These are so good.
Zombie!